Oh yes, it is what it is. What it is, don't apply. We're back again at the Kasi Talks at Stratvankel. As you know, I always have guests, and I wouldn't say permanent, but most frequently I have Spiwe Radebe. But today we are also joined by Pastor Wandile Masuku from the Rising Army of God, a congregation in Katlehong, a very powerful one. That is why I said no. Let me bring the men of God here. We are going to discuss. I wouldn't say sensitive, but a controversial topic as we are continuing on our discussions around men's sexual health. But perhaps if we can extend it and say we are going to talk about sexual health. A lot of things are going on around South Africa regarding sexual intercourse, from rape to gays and lesbians, same-sex intercourses. We also have divorces that are caused by addiction to pornography and so on and so forth. So, but before I get into questions, let me ask a question that covers this whole topic. Yonke, what do you think is going on around sexual intercourse in South Africa? I wouldn't say emhlabeni wonke, but in South Africa, do you think, as I think, there is a spirit that is attacking sexual intercourse? Because before, in olden times, it used to be a mogunto ehloniphekile, this very sacred thing. Not everyone was talking about it. Mephelela, wherever the two adults are concerned. But now it's all over the place, and people are addicted to pornography. People are raping people of the same sex. Do you think there is any attack, or is just life going on? So Kalanga is pure.
Okay.
Sure. Yeah, sure.
So through this whole thing it's been perpetrated by government. Kanjani unokubona i-lockdown njengoba beyikhona manje there's a lot that happened. Many women specifically they are so pregnant. I'm pregnant maning, it's a rise of pregnancy amaning, and kuma household amaning amachita amaning ayawondla kuphela awasahlali khona. You understand? So uyibona lapho ukuthi there is the higher level yabantu abaphethe kumthetho abaperpetrator ukuthi yenzeke.
Yeah.
Because if you can close such companies as fana nabo Nemi, Nestle, abathengisa nje izinto
zabantwana, okay?
You can see that ukuthi the rise yalezinto ngeke isabe khona. So isuka lapha iye phansi, then ibe rooted and ibe grounded.
Uthi rise yani mesloza abo Nestle i-rise yani le ekhuluma ngayo.
Kahle mangisho ukuthi if izingavalwa lezi angithi sobuyela lapha kudala. So kudala bekuhlushwa ngoba uzobona umuntu awasha amanapkin.
Okay. Okay.
Akusathengwa lama pampers. Ababisi lawa kuyibisi lokuthi umama kumele ancelwe.
Okay.
Abaningi ukukhumbula ukuthi bagijimise kakhulu the modern way.
Yeah.
Uyakhona ukumzala namhlanje umntana kusasa emsebenzini.
Angamkhulisi.
And then athatha amalepizana amadamu awafakela ibhodleleni awabeke la efrijini. And then lo mkatayo sakasamncelile. So i-perpetrator kulapha phezulu izifike la ibe rooted
government.
So mase la ibonakala ngathi izalwe la. Ibonakala ngathi yala until kuze kube nomuntu ofika lapha parliament athi that's why kwenzeka so because of this. And ibheke ne perpetration ye rape sikhulumile last perpetration ye rape ukuthi ibe ngaka akusiyinto yokuthi it's ama moral nama values owabona kakhulu kuma-ad esiwatholayo.
Right.
Ngoba ama-ad esiwatholayo manje ama-ad ukuthi kakhulu afuna ukuba ku-rise ukuthi phakamisa umuntu esimaphakamisa umuntu usami, and mase baphakamile bayadelela kuba nayo indlela kuba nayo ukuphikisana kahle la endlini kahle ubani kahle sisephela kodwa sekwenzakalani ke isibhacu siyakhala ama-rape ayakhala yonke lento le yakhala and bengingasinhloso but na i-perpetrator form lapha phezulu ngoba if uzothi wena i-rise 30% yabantu besimame bahola kancane ukudlula abantu besilisa and wena ufuna ukubakhuphulele iholo yeah ufuna ukuthi bona balingane noma babadlula kuzoyenzakala after lapho
competition
yeah
ay ma okay asise kuwe Pastor Masuku na ku Pastor Masuku amadoda ayi2 Pastor Masuku angashada ane amadoda ayi2 angashada and we all know ukuthi as ama sexes ane we have a sexual desire, right? So amadoda ayi2 angashada manje shithi amadoda ayi2 angalalana. Coming from a Christian perspective, what's going on? Is this thing okay in the sight of God? What's your viewpoint around this thing?
Oqala angibingelele bonke abafuthi sinabo lapha kuleli kasi
yeah kasi talks yeah yeah
ngimfundisi Masuku ngumntwana kaNkulunkulu ngiyakholwa ngisindisiwe
haleluya
ngicabanga ukuthi ukuphendula banethwa kalento ye same sex marriages okokuqala nje iChristianity iphambene nokushada kwabantu abobulili obodwa ngoba sisuka kwi-pattern yonke into ine pattern our pattern says uNkulunkulu waba noAdam noEva pattern yes pattern
yeah
but lena sekumele si check ukuthi isuka kubukhona because iBhayibheli lizothi kuncwadi abaseRoma chapter 12 verse 1 bazalwane ngiyancenga obele kukaNkulunkulu ukubanikele ngemizimba yenu ibe umnikelo othandeka kaNkulunkulu then uverse 2 wakhona mawusuthi ningalingisi leli lizwe kusho ukuthi singalandeli ipattern
yeah
okay
esingazange sangena kuyona
yeah
because ipattern is dangerous uyakwazi ukuthi ulandele into oyifunde kwabanye abantu whereas ipattern okhuliswe ngayo noma izinto okhuliswe ngazo usukile kuzona I think as mhlambe mawukuthi even endlini kaNkulunkulu iyenzeka lento kuzomela sicheck ukuthi siyenza on which pattern
okay
pattern ekabani
ngoba masibuka ama scriptures uzothola ukuthi uNkulunkulu blessed a female and a man and uthi ku Genesis chapter 1 uNkulunkulu bengakafiki enyameni but kwa spiritual realm wambusisa owesifazane nowesilisa case close kusho uNkulunkulu bless them before bezofika
the foundations of earth
yes kusho nomshado abawushadile awuzangibless umfundisi umfundisi was blessing something that was being blessed kahle kahle so ipattern yethu is straightforward uNkulunkulu wabona wesifazane nowesilisa
yeah so why now are the lawmakers perpetrating this thing? Why the media perpetrating this thing? So to some like even to me I see it as normal because abantu banama rights. You see, I see that it's a normal thing. But do you think there's an agenda or it's just respecting human rights?
Nginayo into ethi siphelelwe ke ngithi nje singakaye evesini siphelelwe ukuzazi
okay
yeah
singobani
yeah
kuzoba unfair ukuthi mina ngishaya umthetho ukuthi abantu abenza ukuthi whereas oyami umntwana engimvumela yena
injalo
kusho ukuthi uma kuvuma mina usayina mina phansi ukuthi abesilisa nosifazane abashada kumele ngokuthande uma kwenzeka kimi number 2 khona into engifundayo nginento enhlizweni yami ethi I feel like izwe lingena esontweni esonto lingena ezweni kahle kahle ngoba uma sithatha izinto zasezweni sifake esontweni kuzogcina engasafani
yeah
ukuthi obani abakholwayo obani
ubani yeah kuyafana konke
I think ukuyilungisa
Yeah.
kumele silungise ngokuthi ithini incwadi and kune error enginokuyibuka
yeah
uma sebeshada le same sex kuvula iBhayibheli and fanele kube khona
uvula
umfundisi
iBhayibheli vele yeah
uzothina umfundisi
uthengiwe
shuthi
so that is why ngithi as much as lento ishayela umthetho
Yeah.
lo shaya umthetho akabhala iBhayibheli
lakhe
La.
ukuba umthetho wakhe
Yes. ngoba iBhayibheli limelene nalokho
ubusisa kanjani into engabusiswa
Hayi.
ngeBhayibheli makusebenzisa the same
Hayi.
Bible shuthi iconstitution le ithi
Yes.
makusebenzisa the same constitution ethi lento wrong ukuyenza lento
now confused
Yeah.
isayini ukuthi now
yeah
confused
so it's not an agenda but it's confusion
Yes.
yeah it's there's no one who's misleading who we are just confused so it ngize so vele yabona this second question uzoqala Pastor Masuku now uyiphendule mfethu
okay.
it's the same question is it wrong to watch pornography since there are people who are addicted to pornography imishado iyaphela because of pornography abantu bafuna ukwenza izinto bazibheke emavidweni yabona and khona abanye uthi mabayibukela ipornography umuntu alibele azizwisa kumnandi ngesakhe isandla so from a Christian perspective and from Spirit's perspective ngiqale ngawo do you think it's wrong to watch pornography ngiyekwezwe
it's wrong ukwezi
yeah
because uthi uJesu obuko wesifazane wamkhandela
yeah
kusho ukuthi manje so now the problem is no longer doing it
yeah
i-problem ukuzindla ngayo
ayijalo yazi
well yeah ayishayile nceko
inkinga sikhona ukwenza manje inkinga ukuthi uqala ukuyenza ungakayeki
yeah
kahle
hey
asiqhamukanga sesikholwa
yeah
uma intombi yami ungakakholwa ithi sengisendleleni ma ehla nje ewalker esuka esibhedlela eza ewalker eza ngapha already ngiyenza
yeah uyabe
ngiyabi so we understand ukuthi kusho ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi icontent ekakimi enhlizweni
yeah
ngakayenzi physically
anyawo
siphiwe mfethu
ayibeke generally with this human rights thing like kuye kwaba ngiyathanda legama le confusion yabo i-confusion iyaba yiningi and ikunqabela nokuthi ube like nenduku ebanzi nakuyingane nokabantu mebohlala nabo because the affection seyiningi kakhulu so manje with this digital world esingena kuyo like I cannot say I didn't watch porn because umuntu usenda isithombe omfazi oshaywayo theater usenda manje ku WhatsApp
sangena manje and awabi no choice so which was viewer or
uyalaki mawubheka le video uyibona interesting nabantu baya comment and then you get into so with this thing kahle kunama guideline kumele ukuthi bekumele ukuthi abakhona
yeah
religious perspective ihlonishwe
yeah
and then nangapha traditional ihlonishwe but manje akusakhoneki ngoba kuzoyenza omdala yenza omncane so manje akusakhoneki manje say out of our hand the confusion is at most
sehambile wonke umuntu sakaphakathi kwayo moqala uphuma sesiyakubona usuyaphuma sesiyakujaja
ngithandile le
Yeah.
suka ishoyo futhi ukuthi even the church is going straight lento
ezweni.
emhlabeni
Hey.
and then nomhlaba nawo vele obvious mose church zo adapt emhlabeni ukuthi ayi la esontweni manje nakhona ba traditional kakhulu
yeah
uzoza nekhanda manje ngifakeni asambe singenbonisane yabo and many people sometimes mabachayisa khona e-church they go straight
vele
go straight to
vele
because omunye umuntu ngeke ukhona ukulikhipha izwe kuye
yeah let's talk about that and more after this episode so it is what it ain't don't apply. We're continuing on the second episode about this issue so keep on watching. Yeah, it is what it is. What it is do not apply. We're back again at the Kasi Talks at Stratvankele. I'm here with Stuart Khatebe and Pastor Wandile Masu. We're talking around this issue of sexual health, you know, sexual intercourse, everything that has to do with sexuality, sexual slapo. So before we went and took a break to prepare for this next episode, we were still on the issue of porn. People are watching porn, getting addicted to it. People are watching porn, divorces, and I've asked a question, Uguti, in the Christian perspective and also personal perspective, I was with you. Do you think it's allowed to watch porn? You know, so we were still up on it. See, extend when Pastor Wandile, mfuna ukuthi ubuye futhi. Khona la ngathi ukhuluma ngokuthi ukubona kwakho. Mosobukeli porn manje. Mosombona already you have done the deed. And you are saying according to Jesus that is a sin. Ngicela uyiqaqise vele usale sochubeka ngayo lapha.
Okay. Yes, but ngicela ukuthi mhlambe before ngize lapha.
Yeah.
Ubheka iBhayibheli uzothola ukuthi isikhathi sabo Noah.
Yeah.
Kade bephila 700 600.
Right.
Ngoba uma izinga lokudla liphansi nesimilo sibaphansi.
Yeah.
They're
coming okay.
Influence we ukudla sikudla.
Right.
Ilevel yokudla. Ukudla sikudla.
Right.
Emakhaya bekunesikhathi la khona kuthiwa khona intombazana mayisencane ayiwadla amaqanda.
Yeah.
Ngoba khona senzeke emzimbeni walomuntu.
Yeah.
Lesikhathi edla. Khona izinto ayihalela.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lesikhathi udla ushisi.
Yeah.
Ugcina uhamba uyofuna ushisi.
Yeah.
Lesikhathi udla ibhatha, ugcina uhamba uyofuna ombatha.
Yeah.
Ngenxa yokuthi inyama yakho awusakhona ukulawula yona iyelawula wena. So uma uzobheka esikhathini sabo Noah lesasikhathi sakudala i-divorce bingekho.
Yeah, showcase.
Bekungenamthetho kaMose kunenalutho.
Yeah.
But i-level of integrity was very high.
Was very high. Right.
Ngoba ukudla kodwa nkosami ukudla bekunjani
Hey.
Uthe maqala kungena i-level yokudla. Aqala ama-divorce abakhona.
Yeah.
Waqala lento kama-Twitter yama-divorce yaqala yabakhona.
Yeah.
Nalama styles ngoba sikhuluma nge-sexuality. Lama styles
Yeah.
experience. Because inyama yakhe iya-explore, inyama yakhe isabalele kakhulu. Kanti kulesa sikhathi hayi ukuthi ade bengazenza ngazi nami ngangekho mhlawumbe But I think in level yokudla ine-influence bazalwane. Inyama yethu izinto ezifunayo kunezinto kodwa nkosami intombi emakhaya bazali emakhaya siphiwe mina ngikhulele emakhaya umazali ngikhulele
Yeah.
but bazongiphendula abasemakhaya ukuthi intombi ibinganqeni ukuthi ishelwe u6 months.
Yeah.
Ingaqobi.
Yeah.
Iyinhlinsisa
Yeah.
ithandeka futhi.
Yeah.
Ine-diploma whatever. Why intombazane ingaqobi? Ithi mayisuka lapha intombazane ithola umqomo.
Yeah.
Iyashela insizwa la icela.
Yeah.
Why ngithela ngamanzi? Ingoba akakalahlekelwa ubuyena. Kusho ukuthi i-level yokuzamukela.
Yeah.
Kuye kusesekhona ubuyena. Kusesekhona ubuyena because angeke ushelwe namhlanje uqome namhlanje. Usesewuwe. Madamo ulahlekelwa uwe. Ugcina wonke umuntu oqhamukayo kuba lula ukungena kuwe. So la mantombazana akudala. That is why ngithi ngifuna ukuza la ekutheni sitshontshelwe into ethile sashiywa into ethile.
Yeah.
Le ekade isigcina silahlekelwe yini. But le ngasigcina sisale la. Ngizobekisa ngicabanga ukuthi ugovernment ma enza ama-pulse enza imijikelo ngiyacabanga ukuthi uzama ukuthi iy'ngane zibe busy
yeah showcase
ukuthi wonke umuntu abe busy Wi-Fi wonke umuntu abe busy ngoba ma uSpeaker wakhuluma indaba yokuthi bayakhulelwa abantu ngoba la khona ingqondo usathana uyayutilize ingqondo engekho busy
yeah.
Once umntolo wangabikho into obhizi ngayo.
Yeah.
Usathanda ukunitask.
Yeah.
Ingakho ngithi mina sibuyelene emuva siyobheka besenza. Singakenzi lokho esikwenza.
Yeah, which is what's important.
Besenza.
Yeah.
Before uzofika ipornography.
Yeah.
Besenza. Yini le besiyenza?
Right.
Uma singahamba siyocinga into.
Yeah.
Ekade siyenza before.
Yeah.
Sizosusa le yabelungu esinikwe yona.
Yeah.
Ngoba lesinikwe yona ngoba siyabonakala asikho busy.
eish
Sinikwe le ngoba kuyabonakala ukuthi esikwenza is not enough.
Yeah.
Yini le besiyenza ekade senza sibe busy.
Hey. Yeah. Pose a challenge. Yeah.
Yini le besiyenza?
Yeah.
Dan ukume strategy.
Yeah.
Not doing anything.
Yeah.
Yini le besiyenza?
Yeah.
Bekunabo baba kunoba malume kudala bethi uhambe ngithungela umuntu ongithela.
Yeah.
Lapho ngiyomthela.
Yeah.
Bezama ukukepta busy. Bapho malume.
Hey.
Bapho okuyibona bona abantu akade benza show ukuthi abantu
la lentwana mele ihlale
yabonhlala ibhizi lento
ingami nje kuphela
So manje akusana lo busy abusekho. So kunento okumele asikhiphe busy ngayo. Utholela ifoni azibukelele lento la ayibukelayo. Ngoba njengoba bashilo isiphiwe ukuthi manje so easy ukuthumela isithombe efonini. Khahla. But an idling mind it's a devil worship. Kusho iBhayibheli. An idling mind. Mase idlila. Siphiwe mfethu angazi mfethu.
hayi yabo
Yeah.
awuthathi
Yeah.
Ngizoyibeka bokuthi asekushilo manje umasuku la kuphezulu ukuthi yeah umcabango nomqondo wethu like sekajulisi ujulisile
sure
ukulahlekelwa uwe vele yababona abantu abalahlekelwe uwe siyakhona ukumbona umuntu olahlekelwe ingqondo lo muntu akasekho engqondo
yeah
so mase ulahlekelwe uwe ama decision wathatha ukuthi vele kuhlale kuyenzeka kimi fana nomuntu ohlala luze kakhulu umsebenzi noma sekazowuthola but uthi vele nalabo bangiphethe and then amazwi wakhe vele akha leso sithombe akha leyo nto le so emzimbeni wakhe vele sekugcwele lawo madithi kusho ukuthi fana nokuthi ekujuleni komcabango wakhe sekukhona lento leyo ku subconscious yakhe sekukhona lento leyo ukuthi vele bangazipleaser ngami just a pleaser you understand so seba kanjalo I like mangifaka kubhizi that's a reminder kakhulu thina sikholwayo that's a reminder yokuthi besibhizi kahle besibhizi ngomkhuleko besibhizi ngomkhuleko sakhohlwa that's why usinikeza amathasika amasha usathatha
yes
nayo enye into that's why manje sesibhekisile that's why you understand it's because of the moment it is iba incane ukuthi you give a devil a foothold and then akubambe akusnatch nje kanjalo akukhiphe because yena vele uzotshontsha noma kanjani uzotshontsha and maqeda lapho akubhubhisa yabo ukubhubhisa kwakho ile lizwi lelo ukuthi kahle you were busy kahle but you were busy with your mind that's why ngithi if athi khona into esilahlekele uwandile zinokuba yi3 ukuthi silahlekelwe icanal yethu which is i-body which is spiritual or mentally so masilahlekele zoyi3
so phelile
bona ukuthi hayi lo muntu engathi uphambene masilahlekele zoyi3 ngoba the way wenza ngakhona awusenayo lento le
asana anchor
immoral isesekhona nama moral ethics values asesekhona
Yeah.
from la uphuma khona
Yeah,
because khona omunye bayangibekisela nini yathi wena khaya kini ile wena enza ngakhona vele lihlulekile kusho ukuthi uyamboka ukuthi still wenza njengakubo yeah kusho ukuthi ufundiswe kanjalo noma ayibeka kabi athi uhlulekile yabo but usakhona kubonayo ukuthi yini niso khona lokubonayo so ngakutshela ngithi if ulahlekelwa the physique form yakho kusho ukuthi usukile kakhulu uNkulunkulu yabo usukile kakhulu and you are in into zomhlaba and then when you are usuke kakhulu with the spiritual world like that mean like uloku lahlekile and ungena kwakho akusungena lokho ukuthi now you understand amongeni because imagine when you are praying to your father he said lapha ku Matthew go straight into your room and speak your private things in your private room. You speak privately futhi mele zaziwe uwe naye
noNkulunkulu
ngiyayithanda leyo kushela kwentombi yabo noma uzoyishela intombi khona amagama ongawakhuluma but lawo magama lawo azowaziwa uwe naye but kule khathi zamanje intombi mawuceda ukuyishela uzoyibona seku Facebook ngangishela bekathi
asekho isikhizi
so the digital platform introduces ukuthi abanye bagcina mosnanga ungihlebile ku WhatsApp and abantu bayangihleka so agcina abe ne low self esteem and then go to porn. Porn is the direction where abanye babalekela kuyo bazitshelile ukuthi yazini akukho into engayenza ngiyahluleka mosla yabo so many of them must babiza ku conference they will bazosithethelela ngokuthi mos ngiyahluleka ngenze njani omunye athi ngiyahamba mos ijozi but okusalayo imali ijozi so ngiyahluleka ngono mangisatisfy yabo bese duze kwayo because from the perspective yamajita amaningi ngazi amaningi akhuluma kanjalo that's why abanye nakhona mabasedakamizweni uzowabona ukuthi ay man wena ufuna ukuba lapha uthatha le plug uthatha le plug ufuna ukuba lapha ngoba njalo ukhalela lento leyo ukuthi man makuwe bengekho la and angiyithandi lento leyo but le plug le malisele kubambile uzizwa ngathi ungqonywana
lokupha something
yabo ikanjalo kuphona ukuthi that's where abanye babalekela khona
so now do you have something to say on that one of the LGBTQI community or should we wait for the conference whereby everyone will be involved?
mhlambe conference izosilekelela but engakusho ukuthi akekho umuntu uNkulunkulu ambuka efanele true akekho umuntu onelungelo lokuthi ambulale or asho amlimazi ngoba uJesu uthi mina ngizile nomusa neqiniso kumele ibalance singaphili ngomusa kuphela
uqiniso kuphela uye kumusa
so kumele ihambisane
ibalance
so kodwa ipattern kaNkulunkulu is straightforward asikwazi ukuxolisela mangathi wayixolisa kushiswa iBhayibheli ingabibikho because likube nelinye elizophinda umunye elikwazi ukaaccommodate everyone mhlambe futhi nemkhuba yabo nezenzo zabo.
Thank you.
Ngicabanga ukuthi conference izosilekelela.
As you all know, for each and every show it goes out, these are not the opinions of the show or www.read.co.za or Barnet. These are the opinions of the two gentlemen who are not liable for anything that they've said. It's their opinion, and I trust that you also have your opinion. You will be joining us on the conference. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to all our channels as they appear on the video. Thank you very much for being with us. We're out.